Hello and welcome back, everyone. I am your host, Code Wonderland, and today we're playing some more Comet 64. Now, where we last left off, we figured out all of the codes to unlock voodoo.txt, which gave us some interesting stuff. I didn't quite understand all of it, but what I did understand is that there was a new username, and I figured we probably need to input that somewhere. Now, I played around, and back at the very start screen, so if you close the game and you reopen it and you click on a new slot, you can input a username. If I input the username Master Otari, it gives me this, which has one disk with one singular program. Now, it's got some interesting stuff here. We haven't seen this print before. We haven't seen what happens with these pluses like this. But if we run it, which we don't have a fast forward, interestingly enough, it sends it here, which is interesting. But after staring at this for a second, it started to make sense. If you swap the last letter with the first letter, this says query. Input contains an encrypted note. To decipher the secret message, replace every something something something. So let's think about this. If we need to replace the message, let's look at this. So we have strings. So string equals input. We need the length of the input. So int equals string dot length. And then let's see. String dot length. So that's the index of the last one. Okay, so we have the index for the last one already. Let's go ahead and do car equals string 0. So we get the first one. Switch that, because we still need the other one. Because 0 is an easier thing to get to later. Well, I guess we can get to either of them at any point, but yeah, whatever. So switch car. So now we can get car equals string int string 0 equals car, then switch car and string int equals car, and then output equals string. And we can, this code is interesting, so I'm going to comment it out for now. Index 6 is out of range. Expected to be between 0 and 6. Oh, yep, sorry. -1. Also, I just noticed this is like way out of line. Oh. Okay. So, well, we have this. I don't understand. I guess that just gives you a new line. Yeah, okay, so that just gives you a new line. Not that we need it. So we should just be able to do print string then. Unless one is born again, he cannot see the kingdom of God. You know, this game does have a lot of Judeo-Christian things in the background. Notice all the achievements are all like Christianity stuff. So this seems like some kind of verse from the Bible or something. I say truly unto he that entereth not by the door into the sheepfold, but climbeth up some other way, the same is a thief and a robber. But he that entereth in by the door is the shepherd of the sheep. Oh my god, you're so slow. Can I not speed this up at all? Oh my god. You know, y'all watching this, you could speed this up. I cannot. Oh. Okay. Hey, we got the secret ending. Let's go. Alright. Well, we still got plenty of time left in this playthrough for today. So we still have a little bit more stuff to do. That's a weird, very simple puzzle, honestly, for a very underwhelming ending. But if that's a secret ending, we still haven't finished B. We've done discs 1 through A, except for I think we did miss one in here. Which one was it? Yeah. We'll come back to that one at some point. But let's finish B first. Alright. So make both grid patterns identical. First grid can be written by outputting true or false. Second grid shows the solution. Okay. That's 13, right? Let's see. Check I less than 13. Jump. Wait, let's see. Greater than 12. Output bool. And int plus plus. We're going to make this int, not I. There we go. Pretty straightforward. Okay. We got the second one. Okay. So, check. Let's see. Reg. Reg equals input divided by 2. Or not input divided by 2. Int divided by 2. Switch int. Then int equals reg. Reg equals reg minus int. Check reg equals 0.0. Output equals bool switch int plus plus. No, that's not quite it, because we need to do checkerboard, so that's that. Which actually, we can use this probably to solve one of the cheeseless solutions from previous, but we can go back to that. In the A disk, there was a similar one where I had to make lines like that, where I definitely just cheesed it with a string. So for this, we need to offset. How am I going to do this? You know what, I think for now, we're gonna take this. We're gonna use it for the one in here. How did we do on this? Oh, I could have done that with 2 or fewer lines. It's 7. Oh, let's see if I do this. 8 and even more cycles. So never mind. This is not better than what I had before. Okay. I was just checking. So... Because the odd part is not... Because it's not one off, one on, one off, one on, one off, one on. Because it swaps every 4. Okay, so... int plus plus. Let's check bool equals false. Output equals bool. Int plus plus. Check int greater than 3. Int equals 0. Check bool equals false. Jump if false, end. End. Let's try that. Oh, wait. Wait a second. Can I not check bool directly like that? Jump if false. Set true. Check 1 equals 0. Jump to output answer. Set true. Set false. And we're just going to put a little comment in front of that so it doesn't actually count. Then check 1 equals 1. And there we go. Output equals bool. And then int plus plus, check int greater than 3. Int equals 0. And then effectively we want to do this again. Oh, am I limited on number of lines here? At 22? I am, or 21. Or I guess 20. I mean, come on, game. If you're gonna do that to me... if you're going to do that to me, that's just rude. We're gonna do this. A B A B B A B A A B A B B A B A A B A B B A B A A B A B B A B A. Did I get that right? Yeah. There we go. Let's see. Ooh. This is a weirder one. There's a non-cheese one for this? Interesting. I feel like I should be able to get that, but I don't see what the pattern quite is. Alright, then we got middle path. These are wild. These are truly wild. At this point, this is kind of just a showcase, because it's going to come back to the 2-star episode whenever we get to that, to like properly do these. So we're just kind of looking through these more than anything else. If you missed the episode where we figured out string cheesing for these graph ones, you put an A if you want it to be true, you put a B if you want it to be false. $31 is out of range. Why is that not working? Were we just too few answers? So, B, A, A, B, 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 A, A, B. Try that again. Okay, yeah, I just got it wrong the first time. Now this looks like something that's more easily programmed if we were to do this properly. Okay, there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's see. There's that one. You'll notice I do not get the cheeselessness award for any of this, for sure. So let's see. Ah! This one similarly looks like one that would definitely be a lot easier to actually program. Ha, I like this one. It's just the reverse of the other one, really. And like off by 1. There's that. And the last one here. This one's interesting. What's the pattern here? Not sure. But look at that. All the puzzles in Disc B are done. And we got a few more minutes. Let's see if we can knock out the last puzzle that's not done. Because we totally messed it up last time. We got what I thought was close, but then it was just way off. So let's start from scratch here. So we need to sort each string in the input alphabetically before outputting. So let's see. String equals input. Then we need to do reg equals string dot length. And we need a loop and an inner loop. Didn't we do... something where we looped like that in disc 4? Was it in no duplicates? I could have swore there was a loop and inner loop that we did at some point. Oh no, we started to at one point and then we didn't because we ran out of lines. Alright, so back to where we were. Alright, so we got our loop and our inner loop. So car equals oh yeah, this is the one where for the other we were doing looking at duplicates, that's right. So car equals reg minus minus string at reg switch reg equals car. And then we come into here, we do, and actually we do, let's see, int equals reg minus 1, and start from there, because we should be able to just go from one end to the other, and we shouldn't need to repeat anything. So then, inner loop equals and actually I can probably just do int equals reg int minus minus car equals string int Are we still one short for, because we can't directly compare characters and ints. Alright, give me a second. So, oh yeah, we already have reg equals car. Because we cannot do check car equals reg. So then maybe we don't want to do this. Maybe we leave this. Because can I do check car equals string int? Probably not, because I need to do greater than. I swear, this puzzle breaks my brain every single time I look at it. Like, every single time. There's just not a lot of spaces for data, truly. Because I need to, if I'm going to compare something, it needs to be an int and a reg. Like, that's just it. Yeah, I cannot compare a character to a numeric value. But we have two indexes. And I can swap out one of those indexes the way I'm currently doing it. But that doesn't quite work. Yeah, I don't know. This is probably going to be one that we come back to. But for now, if you are enjoying the series so far, we're coming to a close. It looks like the next episode is really just going to be the 5-starring or 2-starring all of the remaining puzzles, finishing this one. And then we're going to be moving on to our next series. So if you've enjoyed this one so far, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, do all the things. If you want to see me play other games that aren't just programming games, please check me out on Twitch at twitch.tv/CodeWonderland. And until next time, bye everyone.